This is a screencast about the Assembler app and how you can use it to send your customers custom email from the app. So I've got my list of orders here. I'm going to check off 2 of them that I sent to myself back in June, and I'm going to send myself the selected email. I'll explain what that is in a second. So now I've gone ahead and I've done that. I've essentially sent these 2 orders the selected email. So let's wait a second and see what happens. Oh, there it is. Currently that's set to sample. So the customer was sent the message. If we go look at the previous order, it also got the message sample. So what is that sample? Let's go over to Assembler app, email management, and we can see that sample is currently set as the selected email. And I could change that just as easily to be test, but for now it's sample. And if we look at what sample is, it's the name sample from sample at sample.com, sampling your order and the order number in liquid. And then we've got an email where there's some sample A, sample B, sample C, some images and stuff. So if we flip over to email, we can see that the owner of those orders, for example 1013, got a nice email from the app. If we display images, there's my logo, there's my phone number, exactly as I ordered. So that's a nifty little trick to use Assembler to communicate with your customers. You can set any email to be the selected one. So for example, let's go over to test now, set it as selected. Test will be used when sending messages. Go back to Shopify, go back to our orders, and let's do 1013 and 1012 again. This time we want to send them test. So I've gone ahead and done that. Now if I check out 1013, I'll see that first it was sent sample. If I wait a few seconds more, oh, there, test was sent. So that's good. If I go to the previous order, 1012, I should see the same thing. Yes, the customer was sent test. Now if I go over to my email and I look, oh, it just arrived. Here's test. Hi, from 1013. So this is a very handy way to communicate easily and in bulk with your customers. You can make up any message. You can do as many as you want. Only one is selected at one point in time. That's my screencast on how to use Assembler in a neat and nifty way.